Good day, guys. It's been a long journey to Bergen, the second biggest city in Norway. I came for a conference, the European Accounting Association conference held in Bergen, and it has been a wonderful journey. I've learned so much, and I'm ready to depart Bergen back to Hong Kong, where I stay and school at the same time. So I just want to take this time to really show you how Bergen looks like. Bergen is a beautiful city, a mountainous one, of course, and the air quality is top notch. The place is clean, the environment is so beautiful, and the mountainous sceneries are superb. As you can see right here, you can look at how Bergen looks like. It's a beautiful city, and it welcomes you with a fresh breath of air. Yes, it has been a wonderful experience for me, and and I hope to come back here to have a long stay, because for the conference that I came, I only spent like 3 days, 4 days. Yes, 4 days. However, the way the place looks like, I'm tempted to come back and stay for probably a week or two to really have a tour of the city and make a good sense of how they organize themselves as a country or as a city. The city is really beautiful, very beautiful, very beautiful, and it's around 6 a.m. as I'm speaking with you. And one thing I noticed about Bergen is that the city is so quiet. You know, looking at where I'm coming from, Hong Kong, where I'm coming from, the city is so densely populated and all that. When I got to Bergen, I asked the taxi driver, I said, "Whoa, driver, why is this place so empty?" He said, "Yeah, that's Bergen for you. The place is so empty." Yeah, the total population I checked was 285,000 in this big city. Yeah, it tells you that the place is so quiet, and if you want a quiet place to live, I think Bergen is a place for you to come and have your stay. Yeah. Another striking factor about Norway, Bergen in particular, is that we are supposed to be in summer, according to the people I had a conversation with, and they are telling me that they are supposed to be in summer and that the temperatures are supposed to go a little higher. But for the 4 days that I have lived here, I've seen that the highest we could go was 7 degrees. You know, because it's a Scandinavian country, the temperature sometimes is not predictable. It's everywhere though, but it's not so predictable. But for them, they said that they were supposed to at least have between 7 and 12, between 7 and 13. But since I came, it has been raining almost every day. And because of that, we experienced like 5 degrees, 4 degrees, 3 degrees, 6 degrees. And the maximum that I saw was 7 degrees. And it's something that is striking about the people and then the area that I visited. The place is beautiful. That one, there's no two ways about that. Yeah, it's so beautiful. Yeah.